internationally certified hair restoration consultant and level 5 certified injector known for delivering natural confidence boosting results through advanced and personalized aesthetic treatments.
Hi, good afternoon everybody. Welcome to Pride of Maharashtra 2026. We have Dr. Ankuja today with us. Doctor, kindly introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ankuja, Director at Dr. Ankuja Skin and Hair Transplant Clinic.
Lovely to have you, Doctor. You're recognized today as Pride of Maharashtra. How does it feel?
Yeah, it's a great pleasure to receive this award, and considering the aesthetic medicine, the journey is really the journey is really tough because aesthetic world, the journey is going so tough that it's daily challenges to see the patient up and down. It becomes really difficult for us.
I can totally resonate with that because when you come from the cosmetic industry, there are so many products, but it's very difficult to believe in. So definitely, doctor like you really helps the better audience to understand what is good or what is bad.
Yes.
So thank you, doctor, for your really incredible contribution which you have been having.
Thank you.
A small message for the audience we hold.
As an audience, I would like to hear you that in today's world, patience is the key, and you have to trust the process of aesthetic. It's not possible that if you're having a long-standing disorder and it will get cured within 1 or 2 months. So I need that patience to be kept by the patients today. It's really very difficult to treat just within 1 or 2 months. I would like to thank my parents who are accompanying me today, my sister Neha for this, for the constant support, for the emotional support, for as a cheerleader, my husband who believe in me when it's in my downtime as always, and obviously my I'll say purest motivation, that is Adnya and Vihan, who has been as a purest motivation. Why I tell that because they are very little but by the age, but if I consider then the motivation that they give to me as a mother, it's a very long journey.
Truly, truly. I totally agree with you, doctor.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming today, and
Thanks a
we are
lot for
really
arranging
honored.
this, and it was really nice pleasure meeting you. Thank you.
Likewise, likewise, doctor. Thank you.